All right, I'm gonna make a barrel-aged old-fashioned. After much deliberation, counsel, and debate, I have decided to finally use Angel's Envy. This is an oak barrel, and I want something with a good vanilla hit from the caramelization it's gonna get out of this. So Angel's Envy, one of my favorite, really hard to get here. So I was very trepidatious about using it, but I think it'll be worth it and a good choice. So let's make a barrel-aged old-fashioned. We're gonna put it in the barrel, leave it sit for 4 weeks, and then we're gonna crack into it. So this will be a big skip in the video. I'm gonna follow a recipe from my friend Mary Cab something on Twitter. I'll put it up here somewhere if I remember. Probably won't, but we'll see. So let's get to it. We're gonna just use the whole bottle. The whole kit and caboodle is gonna go into this thing. What a lovely sound. The whole thing. This is Miss Sin's favorite.
Not me, not you.
You can have a little bit. And we're gonna put a ½ ounce of Angostura bitters in it. Then we're gonna match that ½ ounce with a ½ ounce of orange bitters. God, my whole office just smells like Angostura now. It's great. Can I do it like this? That'll take forever. Ah, jeez. I'm not about to get outsmarted by a bitters bottle. There we go. ½ ounce of orange. Now it just smells like orange over here. Get all that in there. Then we're gonna put a half a cup. Put a ½ a cup of my homemade 2-to-1 Demerara Simple. Give it a little mixeroo. Oh, mixy-poo. And then I'm gonna ask Miss Sin for a glass and an ice cube, and into the barrel it goes. Gently now. It's leaking. The barrel is leaking.
It's like Titanic.
It's not a little bit leaking.
No, that's a lot leaking.
Duct tape? Do we have duct tape? We have to have duct tape, right?
Take it home and hot glue it. Dump it back in there. I'll run it home and hot glue it.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, Miss Sin with the hot glue gun to the rescue. Let's try it again. Fingers crossed. This has got to age for a month, so it's got to stay good.
You didn't put the plug in the front.
Oh!
Oh, Jesus.
Jeez.
Oh, boy.
All this.
This just meant to be messy up here.
Yeah. Good luck on calling it out, knowing I could see the front of the barrel.
I didn't even notice it until it started pouring out.
Ah, jeez. Cannot find good help nowadays.
Excuse you, you're the one who's supposed to build it. I just fixed it.
It's definitely watertight. All right. That is a barrel of old fashions. Now, I, for one, want to see how one tastes now. So I'm going to ask you to bring me back that little slice of orange. I just want to get a little nip of it now. Do you have matches? Do we have matches? Alright, just a little. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Now let's attend to the drippy. Okay, we gotta put a little more effort into this thing. So that's a barrel-aged old-fashioned. I'm gonna pick this up in about 4 weeks and we'll see how it is then. Hopefully, it doesn't leak everywhere in that 4 weeks. Because I put a whole bottle of Angel's Envy in there. It's really hard to get. And I like it. And it better not be bad. I need one Orangi. One Orangi. No oranges. What?
No oranges in there.
Do we have any at the house?
Oh.
What?
We don't have any oranges. You have to have oranges?
Yes. So it's been roughly a month. We're going to see how this guy turned out. I am very excited. As you can see, we had to put a tampon down for it because it was leaking everywhere. A pad. All right, I'm excited. I hope this is good. Got my custom ice cube. We're getting somewhere. These guys are getting a bad review on Amazon. Now, Mary said add a dash of bitters back into it. So that's what we're going to do. Going to give it a little stir. Get all nice and chilled. And we need the orange, which we definitely didn't just have to go buy real quick for the video. Give me a good... Oh, wow. I hope the mic picked that up. You know what? Let's flambe. That sulfur all out. Yeah, get all that goodness down there. And one more peel. Jeez. What did you buy? The deformed oranges? Alright. Maybe we'll get a better one on this one. Jeez, come on, man. One thing could work for this video. So this, you squeeze it, it expresses the orange, it gives it that flavor. Flaming it gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor. And you want as much of the pith as you can get. Alright, let's give it a go. It's vanilla caramel deliciousness. She was not kidding. Just adding it in the cask for a month. It's amazing. A good base spirit helps. Using ingredients like Angostura and Fee Brothers, or I think I used Angostura for the orange. This is phenomenal. And a rich Demerara that I made myself. All the syrups here I made myself. I'll do a video on that one day. But I have raspberry, cherry, all of it I made myself. This is absolutely amazing. I recommend it. Give it a try.